Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something super cool for all Choices players out there. If you're tired of waiting for keys or running out of diamonds, then you're going to want to stick around for this. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future finds. So, I found this new Choices mod that works on both Android and iOS. It has a built-in mod menu that you can open by tapping the gear icon in the game. Once opened, you'll see the main features. Yep, unlimited keys and diamonds. Just tap, activate, and watch your resources rise instantly to the max. There are also a few other tweaks in the menu, but the best part is how simple it is to use. No complicated steps, no risky stuff. It just works. And yes, I tested it myself before making this video. You're seeing everything happen in real time right now. Alright, now let me show you how to get it. Just open any browser on your phone, Android or iOS. In this video, I'm using Safari. Go to appheaven.top. Once you're there, use the search bar or scroll through the list to find the Choices mod. Tap on it, and from there, just follow the instructions on the site to get it set up. It's really easy. If you need help, the site also has extra instructions you can watch. And hey, check the comment I pinned below. I shared exactly where to find the mod, so it's easier for you. That's it for today. If this worked for you, drop a comment and let others know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome stuff like this.